reckless. I give you scrap pa pa ka ka. The very next day, you boom boom brr, boom. This year.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2020. This video is for Math 1 students for my period 2. We're gonna go over Quizlet 3 and then CAS practice. Then we're gonna go to ALEKS practice test. There's no handout for you guys, so don't worry about the handout. Okay, make sure you do all your ALEKS assignments and study for your test. Make flashcard. Do your practice test at least one time. Alright, Senior Math 1, Mr. Jackson, maybe come over and help you to set up your College Board account for your PSAT score. Okay, this is really important. You will use it for college as well. So make sure you follow his instruction and get everything done. After the video CAS video, you can go on the laptop and work on your ALEKS assignment. Alright, we're going to look at problem Quizlet 3, problem 1. Okay, make sure you write small because you need a lot of space for this. Alright, a phone company offered 2-month plan. Plan A is cost $15 plus additional 7 cents for each minute that you call. Plan B costs $9 plus additional 9 cents for each minute of calls. So, because of the term each minute, that will remind me on the slope-intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, right? So the first plan, plan A, say that is cost $15 plus additional 7 cents for each minute. So that will give us y equal to 0.07x plus the beginning fee is $15. Plan B is y equal to the fee for each minute is 9 cents, so that will be 0.09x plus initial fee is $9. Okay, so we're gonna find how much does this cost, or for how many how many minutes that both plan cost the same amounts of money. So all we have to do is set this. We're gonna plug this in place of y, so that will give you 0.07x plus 15 equal to 0.09x plus 9. Okay, then what we're going to do is solve for x. So we will bring the variable on the same side. We're going to subtract 0.7x on both sides. Okay, so that will give us what? 15 equal to 0.02x plus 9. And we will subtract 9 on both sides. 15 minus 9 give you 6 equal to 0.02x. Then continue solving for x. We're going to divide by 0.02 on both sides. Alright, so we move the decimal point 2 places over. So we add 2 0 on top. So that turned into what? 600 divided by 2. That will give you 300 equal to x. So 300 what? What is the 300? It is 300 minutes. Okay, as if you use exactly 300 minutes from each plan, they will cost the same amounts of money. So you're gonna do is take this, plug in back into the first or second equation to see how much does this cost you when you use 300 minutes. So we have 0.07 x plus 15. Okay, we're going to plug in x equal to 300. That will be 0.07 times 300 plus 15. Okay, so that will be 21 plus 15. That will get me $36. So it's cost about $36 for 300 minutes calls on both plans. Problem 2, a party rental company has chairs and tables for rent. The total cost to rent 3 chairs and 8 tables is $55, and the total cost to rent 5 chairs and 2 tables is $18. What is the cost to rent each chair and each table? Alright, so we have 3 chair, 3x plus 8y equal to 55. Second equation is 5x plus 2y equal to 18. Alright, since x and y on the same side, I want to solve this by elimination method. So we need to get the same number in front of the variable and opposite sides. So what we're going to do is multiply the second equation by -4. So that will give us negative 20x minus 8y equal to negative 72. And we bring over the second equation, or the first equation, 3x plus 8y equal to 55. Okay, so then we're going to do is add two equations, 3x plus negative 20x, that will be negative 17x, y and y cancel each other out. 55 minus 72 is negative 17. Then we can go ahead and divide by negative 17 on both sides. X equal to 1. So it costs $1 to rent a chair. Okay, to see how much does it cost to rent a table, we're going to plug it back into one of the original. 3x plus 8y equal to 55. And your x is 1. That will be 3 times 1 plus 8y equal to 55. That will be 3 plus 8y equal to 55. Then we subtract 3 on both sides. 8y equal to 52. Then we divide by 8 on both sides. So y equal to 52 divided by 8. That will give me 6.5. So it's cost $6.50 to rent a table. Alright, we're heading to the last problem. Number 3, Rachel can choose plan A and plan B for her long distance charges. So there's plan A and plan B in the graph. So we're going to interpret the intersection. So they cross as the point 120, 12. Okay, so what does it mean? If Rachel use exactly 120 minutes a month, she will pay $12. Okay, so $12 is on both plan, either plan A or plan B. If she uses exactly $120, she will pay exactly $12. Alright, so that pretty much it for today. And go ahead and take out your CAS practice. And keep in mind, after CAS practice, you can work on your ALEKS practice test. Alright, thanks everyone for watching, and see you in a couple seconds. Take out your CAS handout. Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for 8th grade students, and this for CAS Countdown. We are on week 18, problem 2. Enrique says that the value of square of 1 over x is rational number for any positive, non-zero integer value of x. Select all the values of x that could be used as the counterexamples to show that Enrique's conjecture is false. Okay. There's a lot of things going on here. I'm not sure if you understand every single word, so we're going to go over each of them. Enrique says that the value of square root 1 over x is rational number. Okay, as usual question, what is rational? Okay, for any positive non-zero integer value of x. Alright, so what is rational? Rational is a number you can write in fraction form. Okay, a positive, we know what positive is, non-zero integer, which means any number that bigger than 0. It can be 1, 2, 3. It cannot be negative, and it have to be a whole number. So basically, they say any positive non-zero integer of x. They mean the whole number. Okay. Actually, no, they mean the natural number, because whole number is 0 also included. Okay, so any number, a whole number, without 0. And select all the value of x that could be used as the counter example. What is counter example? Okay. Alright, counter example is the example to say someone wrong. It's the example that proves someone wrong. Okay, so this means that his conjecture is not correct. Okay, so square root of 1 over x can be rewrite as square root of 1 over square root of x, right? So square root of 1 is 1, square root of x is square root of x. So we need to find a perfect square number so that you can take the square root off. So give me a couple of perfect square number that you have in your mind right now. Okay, so perfect square number is the number that multiplies itself twice. For example, 1 times 1 is 1, that's its perfect square number. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. And 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So on and so forth. So that is the big idea, the perfect number for x, so that when you take the square root, they will give you a rational number. Okay, so as the example down below, you see that they have x is 1, and our perfect square number is 1. So this is good. We don't have 2, so 2 will be one of the counter examples to say that it's wrong, because we cannot take square of 2. Okay, this means that 1 over square of 2, based on our format here. Okay, 4. So 4 is one of the answer. 5 is not a perfect square number. It's going to be a counter example. 8, we don't have 8. The next perfect square number is 9. So 8 is another counter example. And 9 is the correct answer. So the answer for counter example is x equal to 2. I'm sorry about that. X equal to 2, equal to 5, and x equal to 8. Okay, that pretty much is it for problem 2. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.